All right, guys. We got a 63.5 Galaxie 500 fastback. This car is like a piece of family history to me. It was my cousin's first car when he was 16. I've completely gutted the interior. These new floor pans, cross members. Quite a bit of interior work. Gonna cut and patch the roof. Quarter panels. Put new fenders. Probably a new front clip. Now that I'm gonna rebuild. It's a 390, 429 Cobra Jet heads. That engine in this car right here used to terrorize the roads around here. It might not look like a lot to some of y'all, but I'm pretty excited to bring it back to life. Get it rolling once again. Might take a little bit, but it'll be worth it to me. See ya.